Hey, Jason Flegel here, the founder of Catalyst Brand Group, and I'm going to walk through today 3 ways that marketing automation will grow your business. So we recently put together a blog on our website talking about marketing automation, how that will grow your business, but I wanted to do a video walking through what that means. So what is marketing automation? Basically, as the name suggests, it's doing your marketing on autopilot. It's a combination of strategy and software. So think of the ability to capture clients, nurture those client relationships, and close the sale as the most important process of your company. If your company is not doing sales, your company is not making any money. So you've got to think about marketing automation as the ability to bring in the right ideal clients and customers on autopilot as much as possible and close them. Nurture those relationships, help turn them into a raving fan. So think of a plane. Your marketing strategy is the plane. The process that is doing the moving, the shaking, flying customers from capture to close. Your marketing automation software is the pilot. So the pilot's making sure that the process is going in the right direction, making it to its final destination each and every time without hiccups or without as many hiccups as possible. The employees of your company are actually your flight attendants. So they're checking on customers, making sure they feel seen, heard, cared for throughout the entire process of interacting with your company. So finding the right pilot in this example is actually the difference between success and failure for your company. So no matter how sturdy your plane or nurturing your flight attendants can be, if you don't have the right automation in place, it's game over. So why does marketing automation fail? There's a few common things of why marketing automation fails. Basically, a lot of people try to do too many things all at once. They try to hack together a few different lead gen strategies. They try to do different things where they might be using 15 different tools, one for text message marketing, one for email marketing. There's no coordinated effort. There's no real connection with that ideal client or customer, that lead that's coming through. So rather than trying to capture more of the market of really broad strategy, the idea is to bring in the right audience, nurture them in the right way with the right messaging, the right connection, the right value, and then turn them into a customer. You got to close that deal to turn them into a customer. So there's a few different ways that marketing automation helps a business. So number 1, it increases productivity, it generates revenue, it increases customer retention, and you're able to, if it's the right system, you're able to measure and track everything. So increased productivity, obviously if you're doing this automated, you're able to reduce the time involved to get on the phone with these prospects, these leads. If it's automated as much as possible, you can send messages to them. They have the ability to look at their phone. Maybe I use a lot of Loom videos, which is what I'm using now to record the video that I'm talking about through marketing automation, how it grows your business. That's a great way to be able to share a quick message. It's something duplicatable. I can easily share it with 50 people at a time. Just to give people a high-level view of everything. And then if they want more info, we can actually get on a short call or something. So rather than me having to do it every time. It's able to generate revenue. So if it's a sales funnel, you can capture contact information, payment info to get people on. It increases customer retention because having those regular touch points to continue to add value to past customers, current customers, is one way to continue to make money for your company, and you're continuing to add value, to the customers that you're serving. So, and then measuring and tracking everything. What gets measured gets managed. So if you're not tracking or measuring, looking at your analytics for your marketing, you have no idea how things are performing. Everything's got to be basically measured to be able to make changes, tweaks here and there on what's working, what's not working. And for things that aren't working, obviously you need to make some changes. I always recommend for companies to do A/B/C testing because especially for like organic content marketing, for doing paid ads, for software development. If you're launching a new mobile app and you're doing a campaign for lead gen, trying to find the right messaging, different variations of that should be tested to find out what's working and what's not. So we've actually, using Go High Level, which is a new tool, we brought all the systems of marketing automation into one place at Catalyst Brand Group. We looked at sales and lead gen, what are the most common things that a business needs, digital marketing, and operations. What does every company need? So we're using that. It allows you to capture leads and customers in a really awesome way, personalized way. It's got a lot of sales websites, sales funnels out of the box. It's got landing pages, any kind of landing page that a company needs. Say you're a landscape company and you're rolling out a new service to a particular area. I'm located in Florida, so rolling out something maybe in like Daytona Beach or something. Hey, get a free 2 free lawn care services when you sign up for a full year of lawn mowing service with our company. Something like that is an example. So building a landing page there. Go High Level has that. You're able to nurture the leads into customers because it allows you to have a value ladder. I recommend every company to have a value ladder. What is that process from first interaction that you deliver value to people for free, and then get them into your database, your CRM, that you constantly send messages asking them, delivering value, but asking them for a little bit more money for that extra value add to them based on their specific need or desire that they have. They obviously wouldn't have joined your community or signed up to get information from you unless they saw that you had something that they needed. So also has a lot of email marketing tools in here that's done for you. One of the new companies, Wreckage Sports, that we're working with, we're using Go High Level custom automation process for their affiliates that sign up to promote their company. So athletes, dojo owners, gym owners, all of the email marketing is done for that affiliate. They sign up through a form, creates a user account for them, sends them a sequence of 5 to 10 emails, depending on how they signed up. So a lot of customization there. Text message marketing, it sends out a lot of text message, any kind of text message templates, copy that you want to send to the person who signs up in that sequence. A lot of phone call marketing, actually. There's the ability to do direct robocalling through Go High Level and to connect to a call. So if a lead signs up for it, they can do like a click to call on a landing page or something. It'll come up on your phone that a new lead has signed up. Do you want to accept a call? So really simple, easy process. You could get talking to a prospect, a lead, like right that second. So really powerful right there for what that can do. And then ultimately, you're able to close sales with this entire system. You're able to manage that pipeline for constant lead flow coming in. So a lot of inbound marketing, this is one of the best ways to do it. You've got to be able to capture, nurture, and close these leads in the right way. And that's ultimately what marketing automation done right will do. You're able to capture those ideal clients or customers. You're able to nurture that relationship, and you'll be able to close them. You can make that ask for their money in exchange for the value that you are going to deliver to them. Go High Level also has ways to collect payment, tons of analytics and data that you can look at, and it's one of the best solutions that we found. So on our website, we actually are rolling out something called the Business Foundation Package. So we're doing a done-for-you marketing automation package. We're offering $20,000 worth of the best marketing automation tools, digital tools, a CRM, a website support ticket system, plugins, email templates, text message templates, basically everything that a company needs to be successful. So we just tested this out recently on a new site, Fresh Fish Maui, in Maui, Hawaii. They've been able to do $300,000 in sales in a few months just from this custom sales system with marketing automation that we've built. So instead of paying $20,000, yeah, you can go out and try to do this yourself. we're offering this for $1,000 to get started. And then if you want implementation, you want management, we can do like an hourly fee on top of it. So really amazing. Highly recommend checking it out at catalystbrandgroup.com underneath our services tab. It's the Business Foundation package. So a lot can be done here. Again, you get so much from your money. That was one of the things I wanted to try to create the best tools and systems for companies that I've worked with in the past that have been successful, and try to deliver it in one easy done with you or done for you kind of process. And then also on the page we have a customized portal. So we actually combine the CRM system, the marketing automation system, with a project management tool and a WordPress website. So you literally only have to go to one place, open up that link. You can do all of your lead flow, see the prospects, the calls that you're doing, who needs to get sent a message, who needs follow-up. You can look at task management for your team on who needs to do what, that kind of thing. You can look at going into the CRM, all your sales pages, landing pages, funnels that you're doing, make any kind of alterations that you need. So again, for $20,000 worth of value at $1,000, you can't go wrong here. But this has been a quick run through for how marketing automation can grow your business, and a recommendation on one of the best tools out there. And if you want someone to work with that can help you do this kind of thing, our team at Catalyst Brand Group would love to have a conversation with you. We have a proven track record of working with people like Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank, John Maxwell Company, Ziegler Corporation, so major brands all the way down to solo entrepreneurs, small local businesses of all sizes. So would love to have a conversation with us, with you. So if you are interested in having a conversation with us, go to catalystbrandgroup.com. I'd love to have a talk with you, a quick meeting. You can click on the book a call button, choose some time on my calendar, and let's get to it. Let's talk about how we can help grow your company. So, but what are some of the ways that you think marketing automation can help your business? How can it grow? What are some of the needs that you're facing in marketing automation? Go ahead and let us know in the comment section on the blog on our site, or reach out to our team directly through the contact page on catalystbrandgroup.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate your time. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.